Okay, I'm going to try and record this as quickly as possible because this is the backup camera. The battery power is kind of low. The first take went tremendously well, and I can't get it transferred off of that wonderful camera sitting right there. So I'm back in the luxurious studio. What I'm going to try to demonstrate here real quick is a cup made out of wood. It is approximately 4, almost 5 inches tall. It is hollow on both ends, but this end is filled with a surprise. I'm going to swing around so you can get more light on it. I don't know if you can see that very well, but there's just nothing but chunks of rock and clear resin. And it's to the halfway mark. So, this can has been opened. It's been sitting open now for 45 minutes as I've been driving myself nuts trying to get this thing transferred off the old camera. And so here goes. Let's see what happens. Enough talking. I'm going to try and top it up a little bit so you can see it a little bit clearer. Okay. Now again, what you're looking at is the light from the light fixture here in my recording studio. And so you do not have a sun that has blossomed inside there. You're merely seeing a can of Dr. Pepper. Again, I'll go over to the Dr. Pepper can. 12 ounce. It's been open for a little while, so some of the carbonation has been lost. But what is happening is between the dimensions and the proportions of the spacing for the cup diameter and length, and having its bottom half filled with material, in this case just rocks, that can affect the spin of, in this case, a liquid, Dr. Pepper, again, quite naturally and easily. And the wood seems to really be helpful. I'm going to try and give different shots here and hopefully not lose what I'm trying to show, which is all of the carbonation is being forced out. All the carbonation is being completely forced out. It takes several minutes. Another thing that happens is you start to get a glaze on the top that looks very oily. And by the time it's done, it's completely flat and rather sweet. But it'll continue to do this all on its own. That's my daughter here in the background, perhaps. So we're coming up on the 4-minute mark. Still has some battery power. We'll just let this go until it runs out of battery. And then I'll see if I can't transfer it off this camera and share it with you guys. Again, you're just seeing a cup that has no power, no electricity, no magnets, just some plain old rocks. What rocks? Mica, granite, purple mica. Simple as that. what's it doing is changing the spin, changing the properties of the fluid. I'm using Dr. Pepper and soda for demonstration purposes only, so you can see what really is happening. It does it with water, it does it with juice, it does it with Gatorade, it does it with everything I've put in here. It changes the properties of it pretty quickly. Nothing is as dramatic though. Just watching this thing just do its own little dance. I'm going to move it around and see if I can't get a better view for you. I apologize for the quality of this. Again, this is the second take. First take's in the can. I can't get it off the daggone camera, so that will have to be posted at another time. It's a shame because it was a really good one. Anyways, I hope you can see this. I'm not making any kind of claims like there's electricity happening inside there. No. That's just pure carbonation being driven out of it.